Let me make the adjustment. Now I'm just going to go ahead and very gently, holding the turnout down, just start pulling it towards me and pull down on the paper like this. Kind of a little bit of an angle. There we go. Take this, now slowly, just pull it slowly. You don't want to force anything. Like that. Okay, so some of this paper sticks to the bottom. That's not a big deal. We're going to clean that up. Go ahead and coax it along there. We'll go ahead and clean that up. Not a biggie. Okay, there we go. I'm doing this a bit of an angle because it makes this paper peel off the ties a little bit easier. Help it along with the file here. Now you can watch me just kind of roll this thing off like that. Taking a little, using that file, cut some of this paper down. Okay. There we go. Just take your time. Just work it off. That. A little bit more. We're getting it. There. Break this. I'm going to go ahead and support the bottom of this turnout with my thumb so we don't bend it while removing it from the template. Go ahead here. Alright, now we're making progress. Okay, and we got all sorts of calls coming in. Fortunately, my family isn't home, so we can't, no, sorry about that. I'm not going to answer it, because I'm right in the middle of this. You're going to have to wait. I can call them back, or... There we go. We're getting it. There. There we go. Okay, I'll go ahead and lay this down. There. Got this cleaned off. Go ahead and peel that off. There. So, I've got the, let me peel this bulk of this off by hand. Okay, now you got a couple of options to get this gummy stuff off the back here and the last of the paper. You can use an attachment in your Moto tool, and I've done this before. I can't find mine right now, where you essentially just have this little wire brush at the end of it. So you stick this in your Moto tool and you go over it, and that's how you can clean it off. Not finding mine at the moment. Another option is take 150 or 220 grit sandpaper or emery cloth and just kind of go over it. Clean that gunk off. There we go. I'm getting it. And it doesn't really matter how you do it, but just not necessarily any one pattern to get this thing off is better than the other, but you do want to get this contact adhesive off the back of your ties here, so go ahead and work at it until the bottom of your turnout's all shiny. Like that. Get some of that goo off there. Get that all cleaned, because that will hope the turnouts stick to your road bed.